This video will give you a basic overview of our inner diameter, or ID process. Each day starts with a documented toolbox meeting. These toolbox meetings are to ensure the safety of our employees. Safety concerns, hazards, and best practices are discussed. Then, we complete a pre-job safety checklist. Pre-job safety checklists are used to ensure all the appropriate tools and equipment are accessible and in working condition, all required PPE is available, and that all job hazards are addressed. Standard personal protective equipment, or PPE, is required. Standard PPE requirements include hard hats, steel-toe footwear, and safety glasses. Additional PPE requirements will be noted on pre-job safety checklists. The ID process begins when a pipe enters the plant. The pipe is then blasted to remove any imperfections. Hearing protection is required here. After that, the pipe moves on to the cutback application, allowing for bare steel to remain present for welding to occur in the field. Next, the pipe moves on to our paint application. We then allow the paint to dry. And we finish up by placing the pipe on our outbound rack. Here, we remove the cutback and reveal the bare steel. And finally, we add traceability. Traceability is the documentation of the life of the individual pipe. Each pipe has unique numbers that must be maintained for the identity of the pipe. Here are a few final notes regarding ID. Make sure and keep the area clean, and ensure that proper housekeeping is maintained throughout the day to keep a clean, safe work environment. We require a cleanup at the end of each shift, and we make sure that no trash ever hits the ground. This concludes our ID process training. If you have any other questions, please make sure and ask the plant manager or area foreman.